मुख्यमंत्र्यांक हात जोडून विनवणी करता 10वीची परीक्षा फुडें धुकलात। गोंयांत कोरोना व्हायरसाच्यो केसी वाडत चल्ल्यात। परीक्षा दिवपाक गेल्ल्या भुरग्यांक व्हायरस जालो जाल्यार तेची जबाबदारी मुख्यमंत्री घेतलो, NSUI हे विद्यार्थी संघटनेन विचारला। NSUI ह्या विद्यार्थी संघटनेच्या वावुरप्यांनी सोमारा पणजी आझाद मैदानाचेर धरणे धरले। भुरग्यांच्यो 10वेच्यो परीक्षा फुडें धुकलच्यो अशी तांची मागणी आशिल्ली। कोरोनाचे फाटभुंयेर भुरग्यांच्या जिविताक धोको आसा अशें तांचें म्हणणें। निदान परीक्षा फुडें धुकलच्यो अशें मागपा खातीर ते बशिल्ले, पूण पुलिसांनी तांकां ताब्यात घेतले। पळयात।
This is a kind request again to the CM of Goa. Postpone the examinations. Postpone kara examinations. Because the coronavirus is spreading. आज सकाळी आम्ही पहिला की 31 cases वाढल्या. 31 cases in a state of Goa, in a small state of Goa is not a joke. आज सुद्धा 31 cases असतात, 31 active cases. Community spread जातले. कोर्टान पहिली दिलेली decision.
Now today we have 31 active cases. And this is really fishy that why at such a point the CM is not cancelling the examination. States like Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab have cancelled the exam. Chhattisgarh has even promoted the students. From class 1 to 12 the students are promoted. Goa is a very small state having only few number of students comparatively. We are not saying promote the students, we are saying cancel the examination. And at this point when the CM is not ready to cancel the examination, this looks very fishy. This looks like there is some scam that is going to happen.
We are pleading from the student community, from the parents, from everyone, from the entire Goa. We are pleading. If you see the entire social media, it is filled with requests that please do not have examination. So from the community I am pleading to the CM, to whoever, you are a doctor, please try to understand. Please try to understand that this is not the time that we need to have exam. Today, time and again the cases are increasing. When we get up in the morning, पहिले 5-6 cases वाढता. So this means that there is a spread and we never know there is a community spread. So Goa is not a green zone. Right now it is not a green zone according to us, and the CM has to take a decision. If the CM feels that it is a green zone, why was not there an assembly session in this assembly session should have been possible. The MLAs are scared, the CM itself is scared. If you go to see his press briefing, most of his press briefings are at Zoom call. He is not even calling his press to the home. This is the reality. I am asking the CM today, sitting here at Azad Maidan in Panjim, in the capital, I am asking the CM that is he ready? Give it in writing that he is ready to say that there will be no community spread, there will be no student who has virus. And if there is even a single student that gets the virus, he is ready to resign. Let him say it. Come up in the open and say it. Is he ready to say it? No. If he is not ready to say it, he does not have the right to send these students.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख।